Welcome to WebStylePress. Finally, this is one of the most awaited features that I was looking for in ChatGPT. Nobody likes repetitions, right? In ChatGPT, I found myself using same instructions again and again in many conversations, and I thought there could be a better way to add these instructions by default for all conversations. Well, now I have a way to do it. Recently, ChatGPT introduced custom instructions for all conversations. You can customize ChatGPT to produce responses specific to your requirements every time. Just let ChatGPT know about yourself and your preferences about responses, and ChatGPT will consider your preferences before generating response. Take example of my recent videos. I was repeatedly adding following lines in the context. Ignore all previous instructions. Do not use single quotes, double quotes, or any other enclosing characters. Do not self reference. Do not explain what you are doing. Now I have a better way to tell ChatGPT to remember this context for all of my conversations, except I do not want to ignore all previous instructions in case I actually want the conversation's context. So here is what I'm gonna do. I will click Add Custom Instructions link from the menu. Here I can add what would I like ChatGPT to know about me to provide better responses. And I can add how would I like ChatGPT to respond. For first box, it gives me ideas to add about my location, about my work, hobbies and interests, subjects that interest me, and my goals. It's basically for ChatGPT to know about my preferences so that ChatGPT remembers my background while generating custom response for me. Then for the second box, it gives me following ideas to add. Should response be casual or formal? How long should the response be? Should response be neutral or have certain opinions? And so on. So for the second box, I can add this. I can adjust it to my liking and hit save button. Now I do not need to remind ChatGPT again and again that it should not self reference itself or explain what it's doing in any further conversation. This is a useful feature. This feature is available for ChatGPT 3 and 4 models. You can edit or delete these custom instructions anytime. If you use third party plugins with ChatGPT, custom instructions will be followed by those plugins as well. One thing to note here, they say that information from your use of custom instructions will also be used to improve model performance, like teaching the model how to adapt its responses to your instructions. These custom instructions will also be added to ChatGPT data export. Furthermore, Code Interpreter is live. Go to Settings and Beta link, click at Beta Features, enable Code Interpreter. It says try a version of ChatGPT that knows how to write and execute Python code and can work with file uploads. Try asking for help with data analysis, image conversions, or editing a code file. Note that files will not persist beyond a single session. Enable this feature, and now under GPT-4 model, we have Code Interpreter. And now in the prompt, we can upload a file that will be used by ChatGPT to generate a response from. So this is the latest update from OpenAI about ChatGPT. I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.